Welcome back. Today we are making Turkish Sucuklu Mantar Sote, a 5-ingredient sautéed mushroom and sucuk dinner that tastes bold, smoky, and deeply comforting with almost no effort. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes 25 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the 5 ingredients. 12 ounces cremini mushrooms are the juicy base, and their firm texture holds up beautifully in a hot skillet. 8 ounces Turkish sucuk brings the signature flavor, with garlic, spice, and enough savory fat to season the whole pan. 2 green Italian frying peppers add a fresh Turkish market flavor and a gentle sweetness once they soften. 2 ripe tomatoes melt down into a quick sauce, so choose tomatoes that feel heavy and smell sweet. 2 tablespoons olive oil help everything sauté evenly and give the finished pan a beautiful glossy finish. We begin the preparation by cleaning 12 ounces cremini mushrooms, trimming the stem ends, and cutting each mushroom into quarters so they brown quickly but still stay juicy. Now that the mushrooms are ready, remove any firm casing from 8 ounces Turkish sucuk and slice it into thick half moons, about 1/4 inch wide. Next, stem and seed 2 green Italian frying peppers, then slice them into thin rings so they soften at the same pace as the sucuk browns. With the peppers sliced, dice 2 ripe tomatoes and keep all their juices on the board, because those juices will become our quick sauce. Now we move to the stove. Warm the black carbon steel skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute, then add 1 tablespoon olive oil and swirl it across the pan. Add all 8 ounces of sliced sucuk to the hot oil and sauté for 3 minutes, stirring often, until the edges darken and the spiced fat starts to release. Once the sucuk is fragrant, add the sliced green peppers and sauté for 3 minutes, stirring them through the red oil until they turn glossy and slightly tender. Now push the sucuk and peppers to one side of the skillet, add the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil to the open space, and let it heat for 15 seconds. Add the quartered mushrooms to the open side of the pan, spread them into a single layer as much as possible, and leave them undisturbed for 3 minutes. After that first sear, stir the mushrooms together with the sucuk and peppers, then sauté for 5 minutes until the mushrooms release their moisture and begin to brown. When the mushrooms look browned instead of watery, add the diced tomatoes with all their juices and stir well to loosen the flavorful browned bits from the skillet. Lower the heat to medium and keep sautéing for 6 minutes, stirring every minute, until the tomatoes soften into a thick, jammy coating. Now fold everything through the sauce for 1 more minute, making sure the mushrooms are tender, the peppers are soft, and the sucuk is evenly distributed. To close the cooking, turn off the heat and let the Sucuklu Mantar Sote rest in the skillet for 2 minutes so the juices settle into a glossy pan sauce. Here's our Turkish Sucuklu Mantar Sote, glossy, hearty, and full of smoky spice from just 5 ingredients. It delivers exactly what we promised at the start, a fast sautéed dinner with deep flavor and very little prep. Serve it hot while the mushrooms are juicy and the sucuk is crisp at the edges. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple dinners.